Hello, my friends. I'm Lisa Lee, and I work for Shenzhen Hetailai Technology, and we are located in Shenzhen City, Guangdong Province, China. And now I'm going to introduce you our 3D printer, D120. It could print surgical guide, temperatures, and tissue. It's a small one, and you could place it on the desk, so even desktop machine. Here you could set the parameter, and here when you finish setting the parameter, we're going to print here. This is the resin van. We will put the resin here, and we will print the surgical guide here. When finished printing, we are going to clean the surgical guide or tissues with the cleaner. You can see the back side of our printer. So if you want to do your digital rays for dental, I think you need a small printer in your labs, and you will save time and save your cost. So this is the introduction of the D120 printer. If you want to know more about our printer, welcome to contact me for more details and price. Thank you.